In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import files in Canva. Whether you're working on a design for social media, a presentation, or a personal project, knowing how to bring your own files into Canva is essential. This can include images, logos, graphics, or even documents that you want to use in your designs. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're brand new to Canva. First, open Canva and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the screen you see right after you log in, where your recent designs and projects are displayed. From here, look for the area where your projects are listed. It might be labeled as projects or something similar. Go ahead and click on your project. This will open the specific design or workspace where you want to add your files. Once your project is open, take a look around the interface. You should see a variety of tools and options, usually along the side or top of the screen. What you're looking for next is the plus icon, often represented with a simple plus sign. This plus sign usually indicates that you can add something new to your current project. Move your cursor over to that plus sign and click on it. After you click the plus sign, a small menu or panel will appear with different options for adding content. Among those options, you should see one labeled Import. This is the option that lets you bring files from your computer or device into Canva. Go ahead and click on Import. When you click Import, a file browser window will open. This is the standard window your computer uses to let you choose files. Navigate to the folder where your image, logo, or other file is stored. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct file type that Canva supports, such as common image formats like JPG or PNG, or other media files depending on what you need. Once you've found the right file, click on it, and then confirm your selection. Canva will start uploading the file into your project. Depending on the size of the file and your internet